People, this is Patricia once again from Heartland Farm. We are here to talk about fowl droppings in poultry farming or poultry beds. It can have several adverse effects in their health if not managed properly. We will look at some of the key issues of fowl droppings in poultry farming. Fowl droppings can have several adverse effects on the health of our birds if not managed properly. Key issues include: number one, disease transmissions. Droppings can harbor pathogens like bacteria, example Salmonella E. coli, viruses like avian influenza, and parasites, example Coccidia worms. Birds can ingest these pathogens directly from contaminated food, water, or litter. Number two, ammonia build-up. Accumulation of droppings produce ammonia, which can irritate the respiratory system of our birds, leading to respiratory diseases and reduce overall health. So number three is a nutritional imbalance. Droppings mixed with feed can lead to reduced feed intake or nutritional imbalance, as birds may avoid eating contaminated food. For example, you keep your feeders on the floor. The birds most times they jump into the feeders and they excrete into it. What do you expect? Most times when you come to give them feed, most people are very careless. They don't even clean the feeders. They just put the feed into the soiled feeder already. That is why here at Heartland Farm we monitor our birds. The moment they finish eating, we pick up their feeders and we hang them. We put them on their ropes so that, or nails as the case may be, so that the birds will not have access to pooing inside or excreting into their feeders. And then when we come, we can't. We try as much as possible to make sure that our feeders are clean. We wash our feeders from time to time. That is how we try to protect our birds from taking in their droppings while eating with their feeders. How about the wet litter problem? Excessive droppings can lead to wet litter, creating a breeding ground for harmful bacteria and fungi and causing footpath dermatitis, heartburns, and other skin conditions. Number five, reduce air quality. The decompositions of droppings can release harmful gases like hydrogen sulfide and methane gases like hydrogen sulfide and methane gases, affecting the air quality and potentially leading to respiratory issues. So people, when we want to take proper measures in managing fowl droppings in poultry beds, we should include regular cleaning, maintaining good ventilation, and providing clean water and feed, which is very essential to mitigate their health risks. Thank you.